looking sideways. He loves this truck. I tell you what. Come on, bud. Look at him. He's three-wheeling that thing. Oh. Oh. Missed his line. This is a tight truck against a loose truck right here. Oh!
Simonson says no.
Up. Whoa! Stay low, bud. Ah! He does. He has to. He knows it though. Oh, no! Oh! Ooh. I love watching those two race against each other. They just do so good together. And they're best friends. Where's how many more laps are there? They normally have. No. They're moving him to the back again. They're making a race. Oh, maybe not. What's going on with Adam?
I was gonna say,
That's all right.
we got a truck stop. Hold on.
Yeah. Huh? I'll be breaking my piece of shit phone now. That thing was $40 on Craigslist and it does pretty much anything and everything any smartphone can do. It just looks like shit. And I'm a mechanic, so I beat the crap out of everything.
I got a Galaxy and I went through 3 cars.
When I was working at Kemper's, I went through 6 iPhones. Ooh, what's going on with that thing? It doesn't sound right.
There's the axle getting picked up by one of the tractors. The axle split out of one of them.
What happened?
One of the truck.
So Simonson still working at Bunker? Or?
Workers, yeah. Yep.
I know he's
Doing
over
good.
for for a while.
Yeah, it's doing alright.
I see him every once in a while. He's placing the parts for Jacobs right over there.
You work for Jake or you do?
I did.
Me too.
Yeah, it didn't last long.
It lasted 4.5 months for me, and I made him so fucking pissed off because I called him what he was and he threw a fucking metal trash can across his shop.
Yeah. He came up to me one day. He's like, "You're a fucking stupid motherfucker." And I was like, "Well, you fucking hired me. What's that make you?"
All right. Oh, something's wrong with this truck. God damn it.